Hey, how's it going, Internet? Thanks a lot for coming back to visit. My name is Alan Lenczycki. I'm an attorney up here in Lake County, Illinois, in Libertyville. Give me a call. Anyway, I want to talk real quickly today about assets. Okay, so if you're going to get divorced in a family law circumstance, you may have assets. I mean, I hope you do. Anyway, the assets of a marriage belong to both parties. Okay, we've talked a little bit about the marital estate, non-marital estate, and how that's formed and dealt with in a divorce situation. But let's talk about the division of assets, right? So assets are in different classes. Honestly, I like to think of them mostly as two classes, good ones and bad ones. Okay. A lot of attorneys, and I also divide assets into more classes like, oh, here's real estate, here's investment, here's personal properties, here's blah, blah. Okay. But really, what you want to look at is good assets, which are ones that are valuable, and bad assets, where it's negative value, right? Good assets are things like your retirement, like your investments, like your, I don't know, crypto, like your car, like gold bars you may have, guns, snowmobiles, vehicles, real estate. Those are good things that we want to divide up equitably. That's such an important word in Illinois, equitably. When we get divorced in Illinois, we don't divide things equally, which means 50-50. We divide things equitably. And that's good assets, like I said, but also bad assets, the stinky, terrible assets that nobody wants. For example, one time I did a divorce where people had $5,000 of a Victoria's Secret credit card. Now, I'm sure that that was extremely beneficial to the marriage, well, until the marriage failed. And now this is a stinky asset that nobody wants. Okay. The consumer debt that is resulting of these retail purchases is something that's got to be divided. And typically, when it's divided equitably, it either means that the person who incurred that debt is going to get it, or a lot of times it means the person with more money in the marriage is going to get it. That means the higher earner. Okay. An equal division may be, let's say we've got a 401k that's $100,000. We're going to get divorced after 10 years. How do we divide it? Equally is 50-50. So everybody takes $50,000 and shakes hand and goodbye. But an equitable division, a court in Illinois may do something different with it. Let's say I'm a lawyer and I'm earning $100,000 a year, and my wife is a homemaker and she's earning $0. Should we divide it equitably, 50-50? Well, maybe the court wouldn't think that that's fair because the lawyer can fill up his pot again quicker. So maybe that $100,000 in the lawyer's 401k may be divided 60-40 in favor of the wife, or even 70-30 or some other way. Anyway, it's extremely open to the court's discretion, and the parties are allowed a lot of latitude in negotiating this. Very seldom will a court say that this is not fair of a division of property, though they do want to protect and what we call gatekeep the poorer person to make sure that that poorer person isn't left destitute after a long marriage. Anyway, it's complicated. Give me a call. Alan Lenczycki. Thanks a lot.